In this video, I will show you on how to enable dark mode in Play Store. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to click on your Play Store. So I'm going to click on here. Next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon. Then click on settings. Then click on general. Then click on theme. Then choose dark. Then hit on OK. It's as simple as that. So by the time you go back to the home page, you have your Play Store in dark theme. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.